how to limit your battery charge to 80 in your Windows. So if you want to go ahead and do this, just go ahead and use the MSI Center app. You're going to go ahead and get it yourself if you don't have it yet. But once you do, go ahead and enter the MSI Center. So just skip everything else if you don't have time. You can update it if you'd like, but that doesn't really matter in this session. But once it opens, you're gonna have to make sure this is installed in the feature sets, which is system diagnosis. And once it is, just go ahead and press on open, or you could just find it directly here in its features, and then you'll find the battery master. You'll have only a few options though, which is 70% and then stopping at 80%, which is what we want for this video. And you have other options if you'd like. So 60%, 80, and 100%. But that's pretty much how you can do this process. Use the balance option if you really want it to stop at 80%. But if this video does help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.